Hello, welcome to Barrow Beach. Here's an interesting lighthouse. People come on holiday here and they don't realise how dangerous the mud is. And they think, oh, the sea, it's all the way out there, I'm going to meet it. And then they go out and the next thing you know, they're up to their knees in mud and they need rescuing. Looks like somebody here bottled it. About a mile or so that way, there's a car park and you can park on the beach, which is very nice and very handy. The downside is it's £6. There's no way I was going to pay £6 to park on the beach. I parked up that way a bit, just the other side of the dunes in a little residential street, and hopped over the dunes. Save yourself £6. So remember out there, you don't have to pay extortionate car parking charges. You just have to be a little bit creative. It's amazing what you find on beaches. There's an old log here that's been washed up and it looks like an elephant's head. There's his eye. There's his trunk. I'm looking for a suitable place to cook lunch. Lovely job. Didn't want to sit on the slope. Today we got some tortellini with some pea and ham soup, garlic, black pepper, white pepper, Parmesan cheese. Sauce is coming to the boil, so we can get some bits in without too much sand. I find these little vials ever so useful. There's a garlic powder, some white pepper. I'll save the unused for another meal. Nice bit of Parmesan. and some black pepper. I got a nice bit of lunch with a view. I got sand everywhere, but it's a really relaxing day out. Nice, easy, nutritious meal. It's been a wonderful day out. I hope you've enjoyed coming along with me. Lunch was fantastic. I got to stop turning around in circles now because I'm starting to feel dizzy. Hope you've enjoyed this little adventure. I'll see you in the next one. Info shed out.